What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneaker Talk with a brand new haul unboxing video. I have a couple of pickups to show you guys today, and I'll also have a couple of pickups to show you guys tomorrow before we do a couple of vlogs downtown and then bang out a bunch of my top 10 videos. So we're gonna have like a top 10 week on the channel. Yes, I know I probably should have uploaded them at the end of December like everybody else does, but I was in Japan and I was busy. Top 10 week coming very soon on Sneaker Talk, but today we have a haul video consisting of a couple of sneakers and some non-sneaker related stuff too. So if you're a gamer, if you're a nerd, a tech enthusiast, you'll also enjoy this video a little bit extra because I have some new tech and items to show you guys. So with that said, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and yeah, let's get into the pickups right now. Alright, so to start things off, we have a late Christmas pickup. My girlfriend Natty actually gave me this for Christmas and I completely forgot to show it to you guys. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen my what I got for Christmas videos, I uploaded 2, and if you watch those, you have a chance at winning some Zebra Yeezys in size 8, 9, or 10. I also have a second channel, Sneaker Talk 365, did a review on there, and that is your other way to enter the giveaway. So the last late Christmas pickup I want to show you guys is a Nendoroid. Now if you're a fan of anime or many video games, mainly anime, you'll know about Nendoroids. They're these posable action figures, and they're really detailed, high quality, made in Japan. And my girlfriend Natty, she hooked it up with a Mega Man EXE, a Mega Man Battle Network EXE figurine. Now for those of you guys who don't know, I'm a huge Mega Man fan, and Battle Network was the main series I was playing a lot growing up on Nintendo DS and Game Boy Advance. I played all of them, like all of the Battle Network series. It's a series that Nintendo and Capcom have pretty much given up on. They haven't, you know, really put out a new one for a couple of years. So I'm happy to have some nostalgia in my bedroom. This was a really thoughtful present, Mega Man Battle Network. If you're a fan of Mega Man, let me know in the poll up top, yes or no. And if you played Battle Network series too, include that in the yes poll. And there's different poses and different weapons you can give him to, so it's really cool. And I have quite a small collection of figurines when it comes to Gundams, Nendoroid, pop figures, action figures. And when I move out, I'm gonna have like a cool little museum gallery. It's gonna be really cool. Nothing as cool as DJ Big Boy Cheng, but it'll still be cool. So that's the first pickup, the Mega Man Battle Network Nendoroid. Next up is my tech pickup, which is going to be very beneficial for you guys / the channel. A brand new box right here. I picked up a brand spanking new laptop off of Amazon, and this is an Asus Republic of Gamers laptop. Really good specs. I'll have the specs listed on screen right now, and I'm a huge fan of Asus laptops, and I'm very happy to pick up a new laptop, an upgrade for the channel. It came in a really cool box too. Came in this box, and then you like lift it up, and then it reveals the laptop, and it slowly lifts the laptop up too. So like, boom. That's cool. I really like that. So this is the laptop. It's twice as heavy as my older laptop. I was using a Dell XPS 9550 for the last 2 years. Asus Zephyrus. It has, I think, a 1070 GTX, 16 gigs of RAM, and SSD, Core i7 8750, I believe. And that's just off the top of my head. It's a powerhouse. It can run Overwatch on Ultra, and it's freaking great. It's a really good laptop. So I'll be able to bust out more videos for you guys that much sooner by having an insanely powerful laptop. So huge thank you to everybody who's continuing to rock with the channel, support, watch, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff over the last couple of years. So these next 2 pickups I bought off of Adidas and Livestock. These were not seeded to me or gifted to me. I spent my cash on these because I was really excited for these sneakers to drop, and I wanted to give you guys a really quick, or you know, as relatively quick as I can, review on these products. So the very first shoe comes in from livestock, and I saw images of these shoes on Twitter, and I think Oh It's Teddy, aka Boost God, put out a tweet or replied to a tweet of a photo of these shoes and was like, they're copying Off-White. Like, come on Adidas, it's really obvious you're copying Off-White. That's what Oh It's Teddy said. And shout out to Oh It's Teddy, by the way. He's in Japan right now, and I know some of you guys are new to the channel because my videos were suggested from his Japan vlog, so welcome to the channel if you are new. And so this is a shoe I think Oh It's Teddy does not like, but I absolutely love these sneakers, and they might be what is the best Adidas sneaker of the year for 2019. Now I know that's a really bold statement considering the year just started, but this shoe is straight flames, and I feel like it's at least going to be in my top 10 sneakers of the year. So that's how excited and you know, passionate I am about this shoe. This is the Adidas Night Jogger. Some of you guys have seen this shoe. They only have one colorway out right now, so let me show it to you guys. Here we go. The paper out of the way. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. This is one of the best smelling sneakers I've had in a minute. Damn. All right, so here they are. These are the Adidas Night Jogger, and this is not a collaboration with any brand. This is a straight up Adidas Originals model. I'll bring it up close to the camera to show you guys some of the details. So it's a predominantly black running shoe. We have hits of orange, and so that's where some people might feel like it's sort of stealing the Off-White kind of vibe, because a lot of Off-White sneakers recently have hits of orange on the shoe. Besides the hits of orange and black, we have some nice black suede. We got the 3 stripes, and it's pretty cool because they're like not exactly laser cut to perfection 3 stripes. So you have like the regular 3-stripe graphic print underneath, and then they have random stitching on top that doesn't exactly go over the exact lines, which is cool. We have the black Boost. I remember a time when black Boost was like a huge deal, and now it's a thing we see on many releases, so it's not too jaw-dropping or revolutionary by any means. And then on the outsole is really cool. It has this really wild outsole, hits of purple, hits of orange. It's sort of like this, what might be a glow-in-the-dark outsole. I'm not entirely sure. I'll let you guys know in the review of this sneaker on SneakerTalk when I do the review very soon if it does glow in the dark. We have that nice 3M reflective hit on the back with that orange, and we have some black stitching right there, just random ass black stitching, just chilling. The main thing that people are saying, or at least Oh It's Teddy said they stole from Off-White, the Off-White Nike stuff, was the exposed foam tongue. Now this shoe has a slightly exposed foam tongue. So you guys can see on the tongue we have the Adidas branding patch, or the tag right here. Adidas debossed into the suede tag, and then if you look to the side you can see the exposed foam right here. Now I actually really like it. I don't think Nike or Off-White was the first one to have the exposed foam on their tongues of the shoes. I'm pretty sure there must have been an Adidas sneaker in the past, but I do know that Nike with the Nike Cortez for the Nike Cortez and Nike Blazers, for the longest time they always had the exposed foam on the tongues. In my honest opinion, I think I'd rather prefer they just didn't have it, but I guess it is sort of trendy to, you know, have that sort of deconstructed kind of look to a shoe, and it's nice. Overall, it doesn't break the shoe for me. I know it's gonna turn some people off, so let me know what you guys think about this sneaker in the comment section down below. The Adidas Night Jogger for 2019. This is the OG colorway. I'm a huge fan of these sneakers, and I can't wait to start wearing them. With that said, let me throw these sneakers on feet and give you guys a look with some music. Now on to the final sneaker pickup of today's double unboxing haul video. This is a pair of Ultra Boost, and yes, I know there's been so many Ultra Boost releasing again and again every single week, but this time around this Ultra Boost is a little bit different than your typical Ultra Boost 4.0, and that's because it's not actually an Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0. This is the newest Ultra Boost to the Adidas family in 2019, and it's actually called Ultra Boost 19. So it is legal in Canada, and yeah, it's not the 19th Ultra Boost, obviously, but I think they just decided to change the naming scheme for this to give it some extra life when it comes to the branding of the shoe. I think Ultra Boost 5.0 would have just, you know, they could have done it, but it wouldn't have brought any media buzz, extra media buzz towards the shoe. There might be an Ultra Boost 5.0, and then this might be the Ultra Boost 19, which is the performance running shoe for the Ultra Boost line this year. But again, Ultra Boosts were always meant to be a performance running shoe, so we'll find out in the coming weeks if there is going to be an Ultra Boost 5.0. With that said, Ultra Boost 19, yellow and purple box, just like every single Ultra Boost. I feel like they should have switched up the box for this one, but regardless, I did try these on last night, so let me show you guys, bam, up close, these sneakers, the Ultra Boost 19. This is the OG colorway. And I know a few people already got these sneakers in. I think they're released earlier in America. I know Seth Fowler, the homie, already did his review on these. I bought these shoes just because it's the latest Ultra Boost, and I really want to see how these compare to other Ultra Boosts from the past. And I know a lot of you guys trust my opinion and want to get my personal insight on whatever sneakers come out that are new. So I'm going to try and get back on that again with the reviews. I know I've been slacking on the sneaker reviews for this channel, so lots of reviews coming your way on this channel and on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365. Subscribe to my second channel for some extra sneaker content, specifically reviews. I'll be trying to put up pretty much daily reviews on that channel, and that's the place where you can get another entry for my Zebra Yeezy giveaway. So with that said, let me bring up the Ultra Boost 19 real close to the camera, give you guys my first impression, my first reaction to this particular shoe. The Ultra Boost 19 looking really, really slick and clean. I'm a huge fan of these shoes. It sort of reminds me of like an Ultra Boost Uncaged, because the upper is pretty much a one-piece knit upper, and then they apply this sort of TPU cage on the back here, along with the see-through 3 straps on the side here. So it sort of reminds me of the EQT 9317s. Let me grab those shoes real quick. These shoes right here, at least in terms of color scheme, I really like the EQT 9317s. I highly recommend them, and I know a lot of you guys bought them after seeing my recommendations and reviews on these. So yeah, the color scheme, very similar. It's like a turbo pink, black, and white. And they also released a second colorway, I believe, of the Ultra Boost 19s. So I'll have those on screen right now. And I got to basically choose between this shoe and the other colorway, and I really like this OG colorway. It stands out a lot, and I know that that these will probably be more wearable for most outfits when it comes to daily wear. So that is the Ultra Boost 19. I'm a fan of these shoes. I was wearing them last night. Very comfortable shoe. Apparently there's like 25% more boost in the shoe versus the Ultra Boost 4.0. And you guys can expect a review on these shoes later this week, along with a ton of other shoes. We're gonna try and do double uploads, so my sister will be editing a bunch of videos for me this week. So if you guys want to check out my sister, she also just uploaded a video for the first time in months on her channel. I'll leave her channel, Nicole Rosalie, linked down below. A lot of you guys like seeing my sister on the channel. And if you guys made it to the very end of the video, comment down below which sneaker you guys liked more. Did you guys like the Adidas Ultra Boost 19 more, or do you guys like the Adidas Night Jogger? And if you want to see my sister sneaker collection video, comment Nikki Gang in the comments down below. And if we have like 100 people who comment Nikki Gang, and if we can get 1,000 thumbs up, we will film my sister sneaker collection video ASAP. And she has some heat. She's actually accumulated quite a decent collection over the years, even better than most people I know. So yeah, with that said, Ultra Boost 19, Adidas Night Jogger. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that thumbs up button down below. Subscribe for more content. Binge watch my Japan vlogs, my Philippine vlogs. I also uploaded a brand new weekly sneaker rotation on SneakerTalk 365. I'll leave that video linked down below and in the pinned comments. So check out my other video today that I uploaded on that channel. Anyways, hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.